Today I'm going to show you how to cook Malwani fish curry. And for this recipe, nothing would be better than selecting a big size pomfret. Welcome to my channel once again, friends. Let's make a short tour inside a fish market. You can see variety of fish over here like pomfrets, mackerels, prawns, Bombay duck and many more. These are king prawns, friends. Check out the size, it's really big and it looks very fresh. At Mumbai, fishes are sold specially by Koli women. Koli men goes to deep sea to catch fish and the women are responsible to sell the fish in the market. These people are very much specialized in cleaning and filleting the fishes. Mostly the customers get their fish filleted from them. Come, let's go further inside and check out more fishes. Check out the size of the pomfret, it's so huge. It's really huge. I think it is about 1 kilogram each and it looks very fresh even. One thing I know is the more the pomfret is big and fresh, the more it is tastier. And I have decided to take the fish from here. Friends, I have taken these 2 pomfrets which I am going to cook at my place and I'll make you learn it in few minutes. So stick to this video till the end and please do like it and click on the subscribe button before you forget. Today my style of cooking these 2 pomfrets will be purely Malwani style. Malwani cuisines are from South Konkan region of Maharashtra and Goa. Traditionally, the recipes of this region are called Malwani food. The main ingredient to go in this recipe is coconut. So I have come to the market to purchase 1 coconut. Friends, let's now go home and start cooking super delicious Malwani pomfret. Get the fish cleaned before you start cooking. Ingredients to grind are coriander seeds, dry chilies, cumin seed, tirfal, grated coconut, garlic and onion. Ingredients we have to put separately are red chili powder, turmeric powder, edible oil, salt, kokum flour and Malwani masala. Let's get started with our cooking action. At first, sprinkle some turmeric powder over the fish. Take some red chili powder and mix it. Add salt as per your taste and mix it very well. See to it that each and every piece must be coated nicely. Let's start to grind the whole spice and the wet masala into a fine paste. Heat a pan and pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of edible oil. Then pour in the masala paste. Now saute it very nicely under medium flame. Put half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Malwani masala. After a good saute, pour in half a cup of water. Mix it nicely and cover the lid for 2 minutes till the boil comes out. It's time to put in 2 flowers of kokum. Give it a good saute again and add some salt as per your taste. Now it's time to add the pieces of pomfret into the gravy. Pour in a cup of water again and stir it very lightly so that the pieces doesn't break apart. And now finally cover the lid for 4 minutes and your fish will be absolutely ready to be served. See, our pomfret is not at all overcooked. The pieces are in one piece and the consistency of the gravy is what we need. Please try this recipe at home and let me know in comments below. Serve it hot with rice. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.